Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to create a customizable sleep tracker in Kilonotes very easily. Just open the app and click on create a notebook, and next to the cover you can see inside pages, and here you should browse a little bit, go down and you will find this emotional management paper section where there is a sleep record. Click on it and confirm creation. Here you can highlight the hours you have slept, give notes, write the months right here, like it's May, and edit it basically the way you like. Hope it will be helpful and sleep well.